Hello friends, I am Harpal Singh from Mind Global and today we will talk about studying in the Anglia Ruskin University, UK. The university has a rich history of providing high quality education for over 160 years. It is located in the east of England with campuses in Cambridge, Chelmsford, Peterborough, Whittle, and London. The university was also awarded the University of the Year 2023 by the Times Higher Education. It has award winning facilities, world class research. It is also one of the 20% of universities in the country awarded a gold rating in the Teaching Excellence Framework, and it also offers career support from day one. Currently, the university is also offering scholarships up to £4,000. The intakes are available in May as well as September 24. The English waiver or the IELTS test waiver is also available. So if you have any query regarding studying in UK or this particular university, do contact Mind Global. Our experienced counselors will be more than happy to help you. Thank you.